how to add Namecheap domain to Cloudfare. Set up Namecheap with Cloudfare. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the domain that we have under the domain list inside of Namecheap. We're going to navigate to the specific domain that we want to use, which is our wellnessgreatness.com over here that we are using or that we currently have. Now, go to Cloudflare. As you can see, I am already able to simply add the domain that I want to use. So let's try this. Enter it, click on continue, and it will basically just show you the different steps that you need to do to be able to connect your domain to Cloudflare. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.